We often define ourselves by a number, the age on our ID. But what if that number is just an illusion? Beyond the chronological count of years lies a deeper truth, our biological age. It's a measure of how our body truly functions. This isn't about how many birthdays you've celebrated, but about the vitality of your cells, the health of your organs. It's a dynamic reflection of your lifestyle, your environment, and your genetic blueprint, a true indicator of your body's resilience. Understanding this distinction is key to unlocking a new perspective on health and longevity. It's about optimizing your future. At the heart of biological aging lies the intricate dance of our DNA. It's the instruction manual for every cell in our body. Over time, this manual can accumulate errors, damage from environmental factors, and the natural wear and tear of life. But our bodies are equipped with incredible repair mechanisms, constantly working to correct these imperfections and maintain cellular integrity. These processes, from telomere shortening to epigenetic changes, are the true markers of our biological clock. Advanced research is now allowing us to peer deeper into these cellular functions, revealing the secrets of longevity. Futuristic medical scans provide unprecedented views into our internal systems, mapping health at a molecular level. Digital health data displays transform complex biological information into understandable insights, empowering us with knowledge. These technologies emphasize the incredible complexity of biological processes, showing us how interconnected everything truly is. From the smallest molecule to the largest organ, every part plays a crucial role in determining our biological age. The journey to understanding our real age begins with measurement. Today, we have tools that were once unimaginable. Wearable heart rate monitors, for instance, provide continuous feedback on our cardiovascular health, a key aging indicator. Advanced diagnostic tools delve deeper, analyzing blood biomarkers, genetic predispositions, and cellular health. These insights go beyond simple numbers, painting a comprehensive picture of our internal landscape. Data visualizations transform raw information into actionable knowledge, revealing trends and areas for improvement. From metabolic health to immune system strength, every data point contributes to our biological age assessment. These technologies empower us to move beyond guesswork, providing objective insights into our cellular health. They help us understand the impact of our choices, from diet and exercise to sleep and stress management. By understanding these markers, we gain the power to influence our aging process, not just passively observe it. This is the dawn of personalized longevity, where science meets individual well-being, a truly transformative era. So, what does it truly mean to be old? It's far more complex than the number on your birth certificate. Chronological age is a fixed point, a simple count of years. Biological age is a fluid, dynamic measure of your body's health. It's the difference between the age you are told you are and the age your body truly feels and functions at. This understanding empowers us to take control, to make informed decisions that can slow or even reverse aspects of aging. Imagine a future where health optimization is personalized, guided by your unique biological blueprint. A future where vitality is not just a dream, but a measurable, achievable goal for everyone. The journey to a longer, healthier life is no longer solely dictated by the passage of time. It's shaped by our understanding, our choices, and the incredible advancements in science and technology. Embrace the power of your biological age. Discover the true potential within you. Your journey to optimal health and longevity starts now. What will your biological age reveal? It's about taking control of your health, using science and technology to enhance your body's natural capabilities. At its core, biohacking taps into cellular renewal, a fundamental process for maintaining vitality and extending your healthy lifespan. But what exactly is cellular renewal? It's your body's incredible ability to repair, replace, and rejuvenate its cells. These tiny powerhouses, mitochondria, are crucial. They generate the energy that fuels every function in your body. Biohacking techniques are designed to optimize these intricate cellular processes, promoting efficiency and resilience from within. Now, let's explore some powerful techniques you can use to actively reprogram your body for better health and longevity. Intermittent fasting, for example, isn't just about weight loss. It triggers autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup crew. This process removes damaged cells and proteins, making way for new, healthier ones, essentially rejuvenating your system. Then there's cold therapy, like ice baths. It's more than just a challenge. It's a powerful tool for resilience. Cold exposure boosts metabolism, reduces inflammation, and can even improve mood by stimulating beneficial hormones. Wearable health tech provides invaluable insights. Smart rings and watches track sleep, heart rate variability, and activity levels. These devices offer personalized data, helping you understand your body's responses and make informed decisions about your health. By combining these habits with data-driven insights, you can actively reprogram your body, optimizing its functions for peak performance. Imagine a future where you not only live longer, but live better, with sustained energy, mental clarity, and physical resilience. Biohacking offers this transformative potential, moving beyond conventional health approaches to unlock your true biological capabilities. It's about embracing a proactive mindset, using every tool at your disposal to cultivate a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Are you ready to take charge of your health journey? Explore the world of biohacking and unlock your true potential.